Yo,
Yeah, what's up?
didn't you buy my battery?
Oh my god!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, about to go meet up Wes and Pax. Ciao, buddy. Ooh, smells like somebody's burning that stuff, you know what I mean? We're almost there. Gonna take a little shortcut through this beautiful green algae LA River. The homies should be over here. There they are.
Working. I literally just left work because I have to close today. Oh shit.
He saw me. He sent me like sin.
Oh, dude, give me your numbers, you guys. No, give me one of you guys' numbers. Yeah, bro. 818.
Yo,
Yeah, what's up?
didn't you buy my battery?
Oh my god!
What's up, bro? Hey, did it fuck? It worked out for you, right? It wasn't a battery. It was the controller. Bro, when you hit me up, I was like, no, don't tell me this guy.
I got so scared, bro. The shit blew up in my face.
Dude, he hits me up, and I had the first generation Shy battery. Perfect condition, bro.
Everything's perfect.
I sold it to him. We check it out. We shoot the shit. He's telling me about he rides. I got his number in my phone still, right? I'm like, all right, dude. He hits me up at like 11:30 at night. He's like, bro, are you sure the battery's legit? And I'm like, no way, this guy, you know, like, and he's telling me like he got this controller fixed. And
The reason why, the way that I verified and everything, try battery. I messaged them. I'm like, is this a legit battery? Is this real?
dude, 100%, bro.
100%.
I wouldn't anybody, bro.
I appreciate that.
But you got it all figured out. It's a sick ass battery. Come out riding with us, bro.
For sure. Now I got your number, you guys. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. Hey. For sure. Have a good one, you guys. Stay out. I'll hit you guys up.
All right, G.
Thank you. Ready?
What's good? What's good? Y'all ready? All right, we're outside. About to go hit up the trails. Water break. Oh, nice. They got the smaller bottles. That's what I need. What's up, brother?
That's it?
Yes. You too, bro. All right, we got our water. Here we go, baby. You want to hit the right? All right, time to close our visor. This area was always overgrown, but nice. Not too bad this time around. Whoo! I'll mess someone up. Go, go. Huh? Go. Man. Can you guys hear this? This is nutty. I've never seen it so overgrown. Oh my god. Woo! That was crazy.
It's gonna get worse.
This area used to be so much more tamed. So the rain came in and messed up almost everything. More than any dirt bike, any ATV, anything can do, okay? The rain does the most damage. So all of you in the comments that think that these dirt bikes do all this mess, it's actually Mother Nature herself reclaiming her territory. It's hers first, and then it's us. You know what I mean? But yeah, I've never seen it so overgrown, even in past years of coming here. When it was overgrown, it was just never this overgrown. And this many cracks, it's pretty crazy. Even last time I was here, about a month ago, it wasn't this crazy. And to all of those that may be seeing this, I mean, if you're watching this, you like Surrons and you like this type of stuff, but for the ones who are criticizing, I'm scanning way ahead. You see, I see 2 people, 1 person. I'm gonna slow down for that. I'm not gonna go ham, go crazy when I know there's people. We're constantly scanning the area and slowing down appropriately. So the one thing I do want to do next is I actually got to set up my profiles on my KO Moto app. If you guys have that app, you could definitely set up some profiles where, like, an energy conservant range type profile, where you're not really trying to go too crazy, kind of limit the motor. That's probably one profile I'm gonna have. Another profile is like what I have right now, which is like mid type profile, and another profile where I probably go and do like, you know, all out type, or if I'm trying to race, or like the full power capacity of my battery. That would be interesting. But yeah, let me know what's up, and I might even make a video about that, help you guys out set up those profiles for the ones who are running that KO Moto situation. Back at the dreaded trail. I hit this thing, bro. We were coming, you know how it's a blind right corner? I was coming in, he made it from the side. So like what happened is I hit my brake, my both brakes, my front tire went down, and when it went up, it like threw my hands off, and then my back tire just hit that back part and my bike flipped. And I flew all the way to that green thing right there. Yeah, I get up, he's already way down there. I'm like, oh, I feel something's weird in my shoulder. I was like, I had to ride all this back with a broken collarbone, bro. Bro, it's gnarly, bro. Go. Yeah, that trail will forever be in my memory now, for sure. Because of that one day. Oh, nice. They repaved this area. That's pretty cool. Every now and then they do kind of pass over here with like a bobcat type and flatten everything out, which makes riding over here so much more fun. So I think that section is over there, and then you make a left.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, they recently passed over here and flattened out some of these trails. You know, big shout out to the people who do that. There's no way that just people come out here and do it with shovels. You know, it's way too much. You can tell there's the lines of the bobcat. This area is nice. When you know that it's kind of repaved, you can ride here a lot more comfortably. Again, obviously looking out for looking ahead, making sure nobody's coming, but you can ride here a lot more comfortably knowing there is no major potholes over here. All right, going downhill now. Gotta close my visor. Woo! Yeah, I see what I mean by when they first do the... I can't see where I'm going. When they first do the trail, it gets so loose that you kick up so much dust riding. They both dipped on me. Couldn't see where I was going with all that dust. That was crazy. What happened? This area is super nice. So wide. Beautiful day in California. Left. Our battery's doing pretty well. Looks like we're at about 75% from all this hard riding, which is amazing for the battery. I really feel like it's gotten better over time. I know it sounds weird, doesn't make sense, but when I first got it, I got a person. Yep, wave, say hello. Most people are super nice, man. Most people are super nice. It's just that like 1% of people just wake up on the wrong side of the bed every morning. But yeah, the battery, I know it sounds weird, but I feel like, I don't know, I didn't change any of my settings, and it truly feels like the battery's gotten better and better. I don't know how to explain it. When I first got it, I was so used to my first gen that it was so weird in the beginning. The first initial few rides, I thought it felt completely different. Yeah, I am riding higher specs. Obviously the battery will run out, you know, faster, right? But it was weird. It was almost like it was running out too fast. But now I like it. I like it a lot. The only thing I dislike about it, I mentioned this in other videos, is the screen, man. I don't like the screen. Not being able to really check where I'm at. But thankfully, KO app kind of shows me my percentage, so I'm cool with that. And I'm getting kind of hungry. I'm gonna have to do in and out again. You trying to do in and out?
Oh, I'm not really hungry.
You hungry? Because if we do this is perfect. It's
I'm with you. I just ate
alright.
before I left there.
Let's go.
Get fries. I might get a burger.
We had a nice beautiful day, nice ride. We're about to go get some in and out. Won't bore you with that, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.